All right, guys. Hey, we're going to give you just a quick little update on a few of the projects we got going on in the shop. On these two lifts here, we've got Matt's 79 Trans Am. This is a nut and bolt frame-off car that's in the process of coming back together. Derek and the guys have been working on getting the engine installed in the front subframe, all the plumbing and accessories and stuff added, and then got it underneath the body, got it all tied in, and they're actually getting all the cooling system, the AC condenser and components, and all the other stuff, you know, tied in, brake system and stuff like that. We did upgrade to four-wheel disc brakes on this car. It's original 403 motor that we did put a performance roller cam and intake on it, and aluminum heads and stuff in order to get some additional horsepower out of this car. We did upgrade the compressor to a new modern style and compressor. The interior, really pretty blue color combo, and this nocturne blue is actually a hard color to find nowadays. The seats are all done in legendary seat covers. They're cloth hobnail interior, so they'll be going back in this car shortly after the headliner is put in, getting the door panels, carpet, and everything else. So the 79 is getting super close. Actually, glass is going to hopefully get installed this next week. So we got Patrick's Brewster Green 73 455 4-speed AC car on the lift here. Basically just down to the nitty-gritty on this car, getting all the final components and stuff set up, tightened up, checked over. It'll go down for exhaust, align, tune. Then we'll be able to obviously start putting some test miles on the car. We try and put at least a couple hundred miles plus on the car before it goes out, making sure that all the components are working in the way they're supposed to. This car is going to still need final decals after it gets a final buff on it as well, but it's getting super close. So we've got two customer builds that are basically done. These cars, we've been putting the test miles on them, checking over all the components, tightening nuts and bolts, and making sure everything's in place. And then we will, make a little punch list of the final things to do. These are both pretty much ready to go cars. We're just taking care of all the little fine things. I usually call it crossing the T's and dotting the I's, basically, on the ending of the cars. This is a one family owned 65 Mustang Fastback. We did a complete frame off restoration on it. They are local, about a half hour from the shop. Absolutely beautiful car with the white interior. This car is going to Florida. The couple actually stopped in about a month or so ago to see their car getting finished. We got the exhaust on it since they were here. We've actually started to put some test miles on it, and it's been aligned and tuned, and we're just trying to get all the final details on it, a few miscellaneous interior things to do on it. Kurt and Sharon's car out of Florida. This car, they're super excited about it. It's been a long time coming. We did a complete ground up restoration on this one as well. 71 455 HO 4-speed with air conditioning. We updated a few components and stuff on it just to make it more enjoyable for them to have and drive on a regular basis down in Florida. Across this back wall here, we're just finishing up a 76 50th anniversary 455 4-speed car. Actually, all the body's done. We're working on the interior components, getting ready to put the seats, the rest of the interior stuff in it. We still got to get the motor back for it and get it put in drivetrain wise, but that one's still coming right along. This is Chris's 73 Trans Am that it's Brewster Green, an original Brewster Green car. It's got a built Butler motor in it. Got an overdrive manual transmission. Just getting ready to put glass in it. We're going to start fitting out his custom interior for it. We are putting a Formula hood on it, which is going to be very nice with some subtle accents and our custom honeycomb 3-piece wheels. It'll be a pretty car once we get it done, and there'll be a lot of fun photos and videos coming to that car. This is a 71 455 HO 4-speed car that we're just wrapping up all the final details on it, getting it completely checked over, nuts and bolts, miscellaneous touch-ups, and anything that it needs, and putting some more test miles on it. This is one of our Pro Touring black 73 Trans Am This is a spec car that will be or is available for sale. We have a Blueprint 427 motor in it, 625 horse with a custom Holley intake that we have set up for so that the shakers sit on top of the motor. We give it more of kind of a Pontiac look. We did paint the block red on this car because it always is going to get red leather interior with a red suede headliner, black dash and carpet. It'll actually be a really neat color contrast for an interior. It's going to get our custom two-piece billet rally wheels on this car. So the boys are going to start putting the inner fenders, the fenders and the front clip hopefully this week or the first of next week, so we can get this car rolling and start finishing up some of the interior components. We actually also have this 1995 Chevy K5 Blazer. A lot of people think it's a pickup when they walk in here, but this is an original military vehicle. It's been nut and bolt frame off restored. It's got an LS motor in it, and it's getting all custom leather interior made right now for it. Obviously it's got a lift, custom wheels and tires, but this is going to be a pretty fun beast when it's done. I wanted to update you guys on the 64 Impala build. This is another roadster shop chassis. Jake's in the process of finalizing the metalwork. The engine compartment where Jake just finished up the custom fit inner fender wells. They had some rust and stuff on them, so Jake got them all cleaned up, nicely form fitted to the new frame. And so we'll basically finish up the metalwork on them and get them prepped to go out for powder coating. And he's getting all the bumpers and stuff fit so we can get the bumpers sent off for chroming. Front bucket seats have already been fit to the car. The car is going to be getting super close to being handed off to the body techs for getting it prepped for getting ready for paint. So final priming, blocking, sanding, and ready for paint. The 77 in the booth right now, they're just getting it ready for final paint. So it's been primed, blocked, sanded, all the edges and stuff done. This is a special edition 400 4-speed car that we are getting all prepped for paint. This actually used to be an old Bandit runner's car from years ago when we first started the Bandit run, and he hadn't been using the car very much anymore, so we actually purchased it from him and are now going through the steps to make the car super nice again. 79 10th anniversary on the lift here that Justin's, both of our Justins are basically working on getting the paint work done on it, getting everything kind of fit. They got the initial base coats put on the car for silver and charcoal, and then they'll go back and tape off those lines and get the distinct difference in the two-tone aspect of the silvers on this car here. So this is a 65 Corvette convertible. It's one family-owned car. We pulled it out of storage locally. The original owner, I think, passed away. His son inherited the car. His name's Ryan. It's a really neat car. This car came in, needed us to get it running and driving, fix any of the problems mechanically that it had, get it detailed out and serviced, and we put a new convertible top on it as well. So we got a majority of that stuff done, and we just basically put new tires on it. So we got to just do some final detailing on the wheels, tires, interior. We've already got it all buffed out. The paint was really faded, but it's actually really nice and shiny now. But it's getting super close, runs and drives good, and we're going to get it back to Ryan here. Next to it, we have a customer's 78 Trans Am that Scott's working on detailing the engine compartment and removing an old sound system that the customer doesn't want anymore. But Scott's taking it through its paces, getting everything checked over and removing some of the components to put it back to a stock look. We have a bunch of other stuff going on in the shop, but I'm just going to focus on a couple of the clients' cars. We had this 10th anniversary just showed up recently. Client wants us to put weather stripping door panels, check the car over, and just get some miscellaneous things done. Very, very nice. Pretty 10th anniversary car. Behind it we have a 79 one owner nocturne blue camel tan interior. This car will be available on our website here within the very short future. I'm hoping that Dylan will get photos done this week so we can get it online by the weekend. Otherwise it'll be first and next week. But anyway, super nice car that we just got done getting it all tuned up and ready to go. This 69 Trans Am is a client's car of ours out of California. We're just dropping his motor in the car a couple days ago. Josh is in the process of getting all the plumbing, fuel, getting everything hooked up and getting it ready to test out and run and drive. This is another client's 68 Camaro. This is a Rally Sport Camaro. This is a customer's car. He's in the military. He came up and visited us a couple of months ago and kind of went over the car. The Shop Inc. here in Lincoln did all the drivetrain stuff on it for him. He wanted us to get all the interior stuff done, go over some of the light mechanical stuff, actually do some testing, some driving, just getting the car, you know, basically ready for him to come in and enjoy. I think he's in the process of moving back to Nebraska. 77 Special Edition 400 4-speed car, numbers matching. This car has black deluxe cloth interior and has 46,000 original miles. We did freshen up the paint, but new decals, refinished the wheels, new tires. It's still all original interior. We detailed the engine compartment and basically made this a super nice high-end driver. Basically, it's literally a show car for somebody, and it's available on our website here shortly. Thanks for checking in on everything we got going on in the shop here currently. We actually have a couple other builds. We're doing a couple of Pro Touring builds where we're taking a 77 and a 78 and putting 525 LS3 motors in them, overdrive transmissions, modern suspensions, and getting them ready for people to drive and enjoy. One client's out of Texas, the other client's out of North Dakota, 77 and 78, and then we also have up and coming 273 Roadster Shop chassis builds. One's a Firebird Esprit, the other one's a Firebird Trans Am, and we'll keep you posted on those builds as well too as we get deeper into them with a future update on the shop. Check out our website, restoremusclecar.com, Instagram, Facebook, follow us, and make sure you subscribe to our website and see all the new current products that we are not only selling on our e-commerce website, but if you're looking for a specific car or build, if you register on the website, you'll get notifications of any new things that come available, but you can also just reach out to us and let us know what you're looking for, or if you need to sell a car, reach out to us too and we can try and help. Thanks.